Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. IFSC लीगल का रिक्रूटमेंट कुछ टाइम पहले अनाउंस हुआ था. एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करने की डेट अब फिर से एक्सटेंड हो गई है. अर्लियर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स could be filled till May. Now you can fill the application form up to 14th of June. As you can see, the last date for submission of online application and online payment of application fees against this advertisement for the recruitment to the post of Officer Grade A Assistant Manager in IFSCA is extended up to 14th of June. There are two vacancies for legal post. If you are an aspirant for SEBI Legal, then IFSC Legal is also an equally good opportunity for you. Here, if you see, the exam pattern for phase 1 is exactly the same. In SEBI Legal, in phase 1, paper 1, you have QREGA, 20 questions from each section of 100 marks. In paper 2, you have law, 50 questions of 100 marks. यहाँ पर आपका मिनिमम कट ऑफ क्राइटेरिया है, आपको 40% यानी कि 80 मार्क्स लाने हैं और आपका फेज 1 क्लियर हो जाएगा. In IFSC also, the pattern is exactly the same with a slight difference. यहाँ पर पेपर 1 में आपके पास 80 की जगह 100 क्वेश्चंस है. So here every subject has 25 questions. बाकी minimum cutoff is 30%, maximum marks are 100. And paper 2 which is your legal, इसमें आपके 50 questions होंगे of 2 marks each. 100 मैक्सिमम मार्क्स है, 40% मिनिमम कट ऑफ है. यहाँ पर भी एग्रीगेट कट ऑफ 40% है, यानी कि आपको अगर 80 मार्क्स मिल जाए तो आपका फेज 1 क्लियर हो जाएगा इवन इन IFSC लीगल. तो अगर आप सेबी लीगल की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप IFSC लीगल का भी फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं. आपके चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज, नंबर ऑफ सीट्स आपके लिए बढ़ जाएंगे. यू विल बी एबल टू प्रिपेयर फॉर बोथ दीज एग्जाम्स with a single preparation way. If you look at the syllabus of paper 2 in phase 1, the syllabus is exactly the same. Constitution of India, contract law, civil laws, CPC, transfer of property, arbitration, limitation, admin law, jurisprudence, law of torts, consumer protection act. ये सब आपके phase 1 paper 2 in SEBI legal हैं. And then in IFSC legal also the phase 1 syllabus is exactly the same. तो अगर आप एक एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आपकी दोनों की प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगी. So you can even fill this form for IFSC legal. Also, now the question arises, अब जब नोटिफिकेशंस आ रही हैं, एग्जाम जुलाई में एक्सपेक्टेड है both for SEBI and IFSC, is the time enough for preparation of phase 1 of these exams? In order to answer queries related to this area with respect to the notification coming soon and you having a time of around 1.5 to 2 months, I am conducting a free workshop on Saturday 8th of June at 5 p.m. In this workshop, I am going to discuss in detail how to prepare for phase 1 in the remaining days. I will also take up all your queries related to preparation. So if you want to join this workshop, you can register using the link which is present in the description below. I'll meet you there. I'll try to answer all your queries related to SEBI exam preparation or IFSC legal phase 1 preparation. You can also check out our SEBI legal or IFSC legal online course which can help you in the preparation of these upcoming exams. That's all for now. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. You can reach out to us on this number to get any of your queries related to the course being answered, or you can also write them in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.